Go.
So, hepatic portal vein, coronary...
Wait lang.
Hepatic portal vein, sorry. Hepatic portal vein.
Okay, wait lang. Mali yung angle ng camera.
Sorry.
Hepatic portal vein. Coronary vein.
Wait, coronary dito.
May pylon.
Naka-attach siya dito. Pero ito siya. I can see.
Ayun, kita rin siya dito.
Ito.
From this side. Coronary vein.
From the hepatic portal.
Yep.
Oo.
And then, right gastroepiploic.
Right, gastroepiploic. Ito.
Pylorus. Yep.
Okay.
And
Right,
then,
gastroepiploic.
anterior pancreatico duodenal.
Yun. Yan.
Oh my gosh, ang galing.
Wait. Yan yung
Anterior
wait.
pancreatico duodenal.
vein.
Vein.
Gastrosplenic vein.
This
From
one.
here.
Pailalim siya.
Mas-
From,
the
so,
hepatic
galing tayo dito. Pailalim. Pa dun.
Papunta. Spleen.
Ayun.
There.
I can see. Ito.
What is this? Nasya.
Ito. Gastrosplenic.
Tapos yung branches niya, pancreatic.
Hindi. Punta man tayo sa
Okay. Right and left.
left splenic vein,
Okay.
right splenic vein, and pancreatic. Ito.
Yun
Yung maraming sa pancreas.
Middle gastroepiploic.
Middle gastroepiploic. This one.
Tama.
Yan. So,
Na
it connects
kasama
From short.
nagbabranch siya from left splenic to greater curvature
So,
ng
yun ba yung may kasama?
siya yung may kasamang short gastric artery.
Okay.
Okay.
So, go, left gastroepiploic.
Left
Yes.
gastroepiploic. Saan siya nagko-connect?
Ayun, sa may right
Stomach
stomach,
and
diba?
greater omentum.
Okay. So, siya yung walang kasama.
Left gastroepiploic.
Yeah.
Left gastroepiploic vein.
From the...
Okay. From the stomach and greater omentum.
Greater omentum.
Okay. And then, superior mesenteric.
Babalik tayo sa kabila. Okay. So, ito yung pancreas. Superior mesenteric.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Inferior mesenteric.
So, dumiretso siya dito sa may colic.
And then, posterior pancreatico-duodenal.
Ito.
Tapos, intestinal.
Intestinal
Okay.
vein.
Obviously. Okay, we're done with this part.